The Turkish defense industry has once again captured global attention after successfully assembling a modern fighter jet engine using the latest generation of technology. This success marks a significant milestone in the development of Turkey's national aerospace industry, which has continued to grow rapidly in recent years. With high-tech engineering capabilities, a modern manufacturing system, and advanced technological support, in this latest project, Turkish engineers worked for years to develop an engine capable of being used in a modern generation of fighter aircraft. The engine is designed to have high thrust, efficient fuel consumption, and compatibility with various advanced avionics systems. The first stage in developing fighter jet engine begins with a digital design process using high-performance computers. Engineers use aerodynamic simulation software to test the shape of the turbine, air ducts, and combustion chamber. All components are designed with a very high level of precision. One of the main factors determining the quality of a fighter jet engine is the materials used. Modern engines must be lightweight yet able to withstand extreme pressures and temperatures. Therefore, Turkey uses special metal alloys such as titanium and high-strength nickel alloys. After all, components are manufactured. The next process is the assembly stage. Fighter jet engine assembly takes place in a high-tech manufacturing facility under strict supervision. Each part is assembled using precision robots and expert technicians to ensure perfect fit. The process begins with the installation of the main combustion chamber, followed by the installation of the high-pressure and low-pressure turbines. After that, the air ducting and fuel systems are gradually installed. The most critical part of this process is turbine alignment. The turbine must be installed with a very high degree of accuracy to ensure stable engine rotation when operating at maximum speed. The slightest imbalance can cause significant vibrations that are dangerous for the aerospace. Before being installed on a fighter aircraft, the engine must undergo a series of extreme tests. The engine is tested in a special chamber to ensure it can operate under various weather and air pressure conditions. The first test is conducted at low revs to check the stability of the fuel and cooling systems. One of the main advantages of Turkey's modern fighter jet engines is their high-efficiency technology and reduced heat signature. The engine is designed to produce lower heat emissions, making it more difficult for enemy infrared radar to detect. This technology has become very important in modern air warfare. In addition, the engine's electronic systems are also being installed at this stage. Modern digital sensors are used to monitor temperature, pressure, fuel consumption, and engine performance in real time. Simulation technology allows engineers to see how airflow moves inside the engine when the jet is flying at supersonic speeds. Furthermore, computer systems are used to calculate the extreme temperatures that occur in the combustion chamber. Under certain conditions, temperatures in fighter jet engines can reach thousands of degrees Celsius, requiring special heat-resistant materials. Furthermore, Turkey's latest engine was developed to support extreme maneuverability. With its high power output, the aircraft can perform rapid maneuvers during aerial combat. The success of assembling its own fighter jet engine has had a significant impact on the Turkish defense industry. The country is now closer to achieving military technological independence. Previously, many countries had to rely on imported engines because this technology was very difficult to develop. With its own production capabilities, Turkey has a strategic advantage in strengthening its national air fleet. Furthermore, this project also opens up significant export opportunities in the future. Many countries are beginning to take notice of Turkey's rapidly evolving military technology. Turkey's local industry is also benefiting significantly, as thousands of engineers, technicians, and manufacturing companies are involved in the project. This creates a high-tech ecosystem that can enhance the nation's overall industrial capabilities. The successful assembly of a modern fighter engine is a crucial step towards developing the next generation of fighter aircraft. Turkey is expected to continue enhancing its aerospace technological capabilities by developing more powerful, more fuel, and quieter engines. Military observers believe this success will strengthen Turkey's position in the global defense industry. In the next few years, Turkey is expected to be able to produce modern fighter jets entirely using domestic technology, with a combination of advanced technology, qualified human resources, and significant investment in the defense sector. Turkey is now demonstrating its ability to compete in the global aerospace industry. The successful assembly of the most advanced fighter jet engine is clear evidence that Turkey's military technological development continues to reach the highest level. This success not only demonstrates technological progress but also demonstrates Turkey's ambitious ambition to reduce its dependence on foreign military products. Fighter jet engines are among the most complex components in military aviation. They require advanced materials technology, high-precision combustion systems, and advanced aerodynamic engineering capabilities to produce high power while remaining efficient.